I headed down to Doheney State Beach to join my friends Gary and Alan Ponder that are going to be camping the next few days. This is a time lapse of our bike ride from the campsite or from the beach up to San Luis Obispo, where we walked around for a bit, saw some houses, historical areas, and then headed back. It was a nice ride. Took roughly an hour or so, just under 10 miles. It was a lot of fun. It was good to get out, see Sunshine Beach and all the sights. We're out here in San Juan Capistrano. So we're out here at the beach, Doheney State Beach. There's water over there. We're at the campsite. There's my friends RV, the Ponders, Gary and Alan, my Jeep, and a walk over while they're setting up. I should be helping, bad friend, but I want to go look at the ocean. We were parked on the other side, that way north, I think it is, and in the day use area, and did a bike ride, which I'll upload a time lapse from that. Sand here. Oh. And there's the beach and all its beachness. And there we are. How's it going? Pop-outs are coming out. It's level?
Good to go.
Nice.